Okay, y'all, so today I'm gonna be taking y'all with me. The wind is blowing, but taking y'all with me to get ready for my trip. I'm gonna go to the post office to drop this off, but after that I'm gonna get my feet done, and I clearly already blowed out my hair last night. And when I get home, I'm doing my own hair. I'm doing some lock stuff, so I'll show y'all a little bit of that too. But right now I'm just gonna go get my toes done. I'll show y'all when I get there. Okay, y'all, I just finished getting my toes done, and I was in there for over 2 hours. I don't know why it took that long, but the lady stopped doing my feet and started doing somebody else's, so that's why. And now I'm about to go to give me and my roommate some food, and I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna braid up my hair. Y'all will see that when I get back in the dorm, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to pack my clothes, and this is the suitcase I got. I ordered this from Amazon. This is my first time using it. I put all my clothes already out, but I have to still get my pajamas and a few other little things. But yeah, we about to pack these now. Okay, y'all, so I actually just had to, this is all the clothes and stuff that I'm bringing, and this suitcase actually held a lot. I still have a decent amount of room in here, and I even got 2 purses up in here, and I have 3 sandals and a pair of gym shoes, and I have 5 outfits in here, and like 3 swimsuits, 2 cover-ups. I went to go get my package because one of my other swimsuits cover-ups is in here along with this shirt and this other shirt that I'm gonna wear. So I'm probably about to put this shirt and some shorts in there, and I'm just gonna finish putting this stuff in there. I don't know, like I'm still need a little space just for my pajamas and stuff later on after I wash my clothes. So yeah, that's that. This is the shirt I got though. Like, it's beautiful. That's cute. Big purr. Be great, y'all. Be great. But okay, that's that. I'm gonna get back to it. Okay, y'all, now I am on the train, and I'm going to Chicago, the city, so that I can get on the plane and go with my family. But today I'm gonna be getting my eyebrows and my lashes done, and I did my hair, but I have to fix it. It's just like some distress locks, but yeah. So I gotta go to the beauty plus store so that I can get some more hair to fix it. And yeah, that's what we gonna do once I get to the city. Okay, y'all, this is the stuff I'm getting. This edge scarf, this, and this black spray for this child. Okay. Yeah, take. Yep. Right? Mm-hmm. Thank you, dear. You're welcome. I just got my eyebrows done. Miss Sage got me together. This is how I've been with my hair, and this is probably how I'm gonna be wearing it for most of the time. So what I was gonna do was, because when I originally did it, I braided this one this way. I was gonna take this one down and like retwist it so that it naturally lays this way, but I feel like because I've been putting my scarf on with it like this and stuff, it's already laying this way, so it kind of don't matter. But I don't know, I'm gonna see what I'll do for tomorrow. I leave on Tuesday and it's Sunday, so mom's gonna pick me up and she's gonna take me to go get my lashes done though. This what we doing next. Okay, y'all, so I just got back from my lash appointment, and yeah, my cousin did them, so they look good, but I was there for a while just because, I mean, that was my cousin's house. So yeah, I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow, and that'll be that.
She's getting her hair done shortly, but yes, it's a family vacation. We went to Ross and Marshall and to TJ Maxx. We got all of these clothes because that's a big haul for Mama 5.
now I'm currently at my nail appointment. My nails not done. I got my little sister with me because I'm finna get her nails done too. And I'll show y'all the nails after they done, or while they getting done. I'll probably show y'all. We'll see. This so far, y'all. Okay, y'all, I just finished getting my nails done. Let's get into the nails. They look fine. And now my sister is getting her nails done because, yeah, she gonna have to move, but these is mine. That's it. Okay, y'all, that is everything for this video. My auntie is on her way to get me. It's like 6:35 in the morning. The rest of my family left out like 3 or 4 hours ago. I'm getting on a separate plane from them. A lot happened. Mama got the wrong ticket, blah blah blah. But me and my auntie are leaving together, so she's about to come pick me up, and we're about to go to the airport, and we're gonna be on our way. So I'm gonna end this here. You know, hair, I just did my edges. It's funny because usually when I do my edges, I don't put a scarf on, like they be looking bad, but I haven't had a scarf on for like 10 to 15 minutes. Need to put some earrings in because I be hating when I don't have earrings in. Y'all, this eyebrow looks better to me. I don't know why, but it is what it is. Nails fat, y'all already seen. I'm gonna put my homegirls screenshots up in here because y'all know to get at them, especially if y'all in the city. But okay, that's all I have for this video, and yeah, see y'all soon.